Find the value of x. X power 5 is equal to x. First of all, we can subtract x from both sides. So we can say that x power 5 minus x is equal to 0. Then now we factor out x, which is common here. X bracket x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and or x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. So now let us deal with x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. X power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. This one here. We can write this one in form of the difference of two squares. We can express it as x power 2 bracket power 2 minus 1 power 2 is equal to 0. The difference of two square formula is given by a square minus b square is equal to a minus b bracket a plus b. So now our a here is x power 2 and our b is 1. So we can express this equation in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a minus b bracket a plus b. So we can say that x squared power 2 minus 1 squared is equal to x squared minus 1 x squared plus 1. And this is giving us 0 here. So now we have x squared minus 1 is equal to 0 and x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. X squared is equal to 1. We can take the square root of both sides. Square root of x squared is equal to square root of 1. X is equal to plus minus square root of 1. X is equal to plus minus 1. And here x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. X squared is equal to minus 1. When we take positive 1 to this other side, it becomes negative 1. We can take the square root of both sides, x squared. Square root of x squared is equal to square root of negative 1. X is equal to plus minus square root of negative 1. And we know that this is going to give us imaginary number. And imaginary number I is given by square root of negative 1. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus I. So our equation here has got 3 solutions. 3 solutions. The first one is x is equal to, the first one is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, or x is equal to plus minus 1. Plus minus 1 x is equal to 0, or x is equal to plus minus 1 here, or x is equal to plus minus I. So our answers here are x is equal to 0, x is equal to plus minus 1, x is equal to plus minus I.